Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about this channel. But first, roll that intro. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. Basically, I'm just a knife maker and I do a lot of knife making tutorials. Right now I'm working on this knife and a few others like this one and this one. So we do all kinds of grinds here. Like this is a compound grind, half hollow, half flat grind. This is just a full hollow grind, a bigger hollow grind, a bigger compound grind. So if you want to learn about knife making, this is the place to be. Also on Sundays, I do a live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where we just talk about all kinds of stuff. This community is great, so if there's questions you have, I'll try to answer them. If I can't answer them, there's a lot of people here that probably can. Alright, so stay tuned and subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff. Yeah, welcome to the community. I got a website if you want to check out my knives. And I got shirts on there and stuff like that. The link will be up here and the first one in the description. Welcome aboard. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, take it easy.